Good afternoon. I'm Dr. VINOD RAINA. Today we are going to talk about post-exposure prophylaxis. What is PEP? PEP is a system of drugs which we give to the patient within 72 hours of exposure to HIV. What does it mean? For example, if a patient has gone to have sex with a sex worker, or if a patient has gone to have massage at a massage parlor, or if a patient has gone for a treatment of his teeth with a dentist who was not very much hygienic, or a patient has gone to a doctor to have some operation, or anything which was having the procedure of incisions or injections, and the procedure was not very clean, that time you may be exposed to HIV. So what you have to do that time? It's a very important aspect. For example, you go to a place and make a tattoo, and you never know that the tattoo artist has changed his needle. What next? Please take PEP, post-exposure prophylaxis. PEPs are different. There's a 2-drug therapy, 3-drug therapy, 4-drug therapy, and 5-drug therapy. Nowadays we don't use 2-drug, but nowadays we use 3-drug therapy. But there are some pros and some cons in each and every medicine. The pros in 3-drug is that it will not work in resistant stains. It will not work in mild stains, and it will not work on high viral load. For example, if a patient who is HIV positive, he was taking medicine for 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, and after that he stopped taking medicine. He was not taking the medicine. He stopped it. What will happen? After 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, the virus will start coming back in the body, and the stain which that patient will be having, that will be a resistant stain. So if that stain goes to another person, you need a drug which should be drug resistant, anti-drug resistant, I mean. So it's a request that please, while deciding that what type of medicine you want, you have to go to a proper specialist. Then there's a 4-drug therapy. In 4-drug, we use 2 drugs from primary class and 2 drugs from the secondary class. So that, for example, if a patient is having infection of resistant stain, it will take care of that. Multi stains, it will take care of that. And high viral load, it will take care of that. Then we can use sometimes 5 drugs. If there was a direct contact, there was a needle prick, there was incision, there was some dental problem of a patient, and he went to a doctor, dentist, and the hygiene level was not good, that time you can use 5 drugs also. But the most important thing is that if you go to a massage parlor, if you go to a sex worker where there is a possibility of multiple partners, because sex worker, today she is in Delhi, tomorrow she's in Bombay, next day she's in Goa, and when they visit different places, they interact with different people. They can have sex with black people, they can have sex with white people, they can have sex with Asians. So there is a possibility that a patient is having multi-stain virus. That time also you need a 4-drug therapy for PEP treatment. Guys, my request to you is that if you are infected by HIV virus, it is a problem. You have to take medicine whole of your life. But if you come to us within 72 hours, And if you go to a doctor who is HIV specialist or a PEP specialist, he can give you the proper medication and you can be HIV negative for whole of your life. If, God forbid, you had an exposure where there is a chance of getting HIV, please start PEP within 72 hours after the exposure. That's a great thing we can do. We can do a great help to the patient. And my request is to all of you that please forward this message to each and every friend of yours so that if, God forbid, they are in a bad situation, they can be saved. Please share this video, and there is a comment section. You please write comments, and if you write any question, we will try to answer you back. And if you want another video on any disease, please talk to me. I'm Dr. VINOD RAINA. This is an educational video. We only made videos for educational purpose only. And this video is for those doctors who are going to prepare for PG. It's a very important video for them. It will help them in solving a number of questions. Thank you very much.